Hello friends, welcome to Dab for Do. In today's video, I have come up with the idea of miniature moss garden with handmade hut and the fence, which you will enjoy. So let's begin. The items used in this will be in the description below. To make the miniature hut, I am using some leftovers bamboo sticks of the incense sticks. So level them, placing side by side, and use a clear tape to keep them in place, not using any glue. So I've made a little bigger one. As it is little discolored, I am using acrylic paint to give a light stroke of yellow to it. So this will be the wall part of our hut, and this part will be the door and the continuation of the wall. So I've cut them into two pieces after sticking them with the help of tape. Now I'm placing them separately side by side to the continuation of the wall part, and I am using the clear tape to make it in a cylindrical shape. It will protect from the water as well, so it will act as a protector as well as keep the sticks in place. So I have covered up the whole cylinder of the walls of the hut, and keeping the door part open, just wrap it inside. The tape should go inside. Cut any excess or unevenness at the top part of the. Now I am using acrylic sheet to make the roof. Make a cone as shown in the video and fix it with the help of a clear tape, and take the measurement of the hut's wall and make a mark with the help of any sketch pen or marker available, so that we can have the exact measurements of the roof. After making the mark, with the help of scissors, leaving a 1-inch space after the mark, just cut the roof part. So our roof part base is ready. To make it similar, I am using PVA glue and pink colored incense leftover sticks. You can even use matchsticks or any other small thin sticks if you have with you. So place them one by one. As this won't go in a flat structure, I am placing the sticks inside one after the other after letting them dry. So now I am adding some colorful sticks to make it more colorful in between. So I am decorating now the door part as well with the pink sticks to highlight the door portion. After placing the sticks, let them dry for some time. So this is how our door is also complete now. To make it more sturdy, I am using the leftover ring of the old tape which I had. So this is how our hut is ready to be placed. You can use it in any miniature structures if you want. Now for the second part, which is the fence part, I am using the leftover sticks of the old broom which I had. I am making the top part sharp as pencil. You can use these kind of bamboo skewers or any popsicle sticks. I've collected a few, and to make them uniform, I am also painting them in yellow. So after painting them, I am using a woolen yarn to fix them side by side as fence. Make two equal length of yarns and tie these sticks side by side with giving equal space in between. This length of the stick should be same. So this is how, after tying on top and bottom part, our fence will be ready. Arrange all the sticks one by one. Now let's arrange the park or the hill kind of structure. I am using the leftover or the old Pureit scrap which I had, the filters which are made out of carbon to fill up. You can use sawdust also as the bottom part, which will retain moisture, and spray them with water. And I am placing a normal potting soil in it. You can use any garden soil. I'm just tapping it so that it will get fixed in this pot and using water in between to make it in place. So after making it, I'm placing the collected moss. I've collected fresh moss. You can use artificial one also if you don't have the fresh one, and arrange them. These are also small weedy plants. I thought it will enhance the look of this park, so I'm placing them all side by side, one by one, and I've completed the whole pot with the moss. So now it is time to spray some water and go ahead with the fence part. So we will fix the fence sticks in between. Try to place them in a little slanting way so that they'll get fixed in the soil and give a firm look at the end. So this is how I've arranged the fence. Now let's place the hut in it. So this is the hut bottom part. I have an LED light. You can place that also in night if you're planning to place this pot in your garden. It will be highlight. And then I'm placing some pebbles as stepping stones to uphill from the bottom. So this is how our arrangement has turned out finally. I hope you enjoyed the making of this and would like to try. You can use any items which are available easily to you and make this arrangement. You can use a small park bench instead of the hut. Thank you so much for watching. If you have enjoyed this video, please hit the like button, share my work and subscribe.